My name's Jamey Banks. I've been here 8 years and I manufacture all the steel brake lines here. I'll walk you through it.
You're my big brother.
The first thing I do is I feed the tubing through the dies here, the straightening dies. This is where I keep all the, you got to do all the adjustments to keep things rolling straight for the customer. I feed it through into the automatic feed. That's all done up here on the control panel. And once I get up into the control panel, I've got all our links for our main customers already programmed into the computer, so all they got to do is find it through the list, select it in, hit piece count number, and it runs it for me, flares one end. Here's some here that are ready to be flared, and I can show you that process over here. Throw the tube nuts on. We do have different tube nuts. This is what's for this product. I flare them out. Here we offer standard tubing to the customers to what they like, and we do have custom bent lines that we can do over here. Okay, I can set this up for the customer's print up to a 32nd of an inch.